Whew. Well, we made it around that mess. Boy, that's ever sinky. If you want to lose a shoe, here's a good place for it. Oh, that driftwood. But we'll keep on cruising. Not much rocks right here. We'll get around the bend and see what we can find. Right, Sounds? She's like, whatever.
Rock hunting is fun and peaceful, therapeutic, some might say. We're mighty excited to finally be on our way. Rock hunting, we are on our way. Rock hunting.
Oh. Wait a minute. Oh, thought for sure that was a pudding stone. Just this little bit of stuff shining through the clay. Nope, pretty neat. The roots are all exposed. We got some of these, I've seen them before around these wet areas. They look like an onion. You viewers know what that is. You can leave a comment. So I surely don't know what it is. I just see them. Look at this clay, big hill, water coming out, and cutting down through here for a long time to deposit all this. Alright, nothing interested in this little spot. Oh, got some nice band going on in that. Nice band right there. It's kind of orangey. Too big to bring home, but if I was near my truck, I would definitely go in. But I'm not. I'm miles from where I come down. And too big of a hill to go. Look at this. Another beautiful, beautiful waterfall. Woo! Woo! Oh! I don't think I can get too close to this one. Gorgeous. I'm down here looking for some rocks, and boy, is it steep getting down here. I won't be able to get up until I get down that way. But, oh, look at that. Pretty nice one too. On the one side. Maybe it's not worth carrying it. Way over there. So, we'll leave that right there. It's a leave right. Hush, little girl. That's pretty. I like it. I'll keep it. I'll keep it. See what this one is all about. Got some bands in it. That's just that calcite, I guess. I don't know. Interesting. Take it home. What the heck? Don't have very many rocks so far. I can always throw it out if I find too many pudding stones from here to there. Hi, Soms. She's all dirty and cold. Well, I don't know about cold. She's in the sunshine now, so she might be all right. I'm sure wet feet don't help. Throw it in the backpack. The wife likes it. Oh, there's a nice pesky stone. That is gorgeous for here. Most of them are all weathered out. I like it. Let's keep going. We don't have much of a choice. We gotta keep going. Another waterfall. That's a big one. Jump, little girl, jump. Hush. Nice little sandstone. That's pretty. I like it. I'll take it home. I'll take it home. Yeah. Keep moving, Daddy. Keep moving. There's another Petoskey stone. Just an eye. But I guess I could put it on the table. Wow, listen to that little girl. She just wants to keep moving. She just wants to keep on moving. You just want to keep moving, don't you? Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh, there she goes. And she's down. And she's down. Woo! Black sand. Little girl. Oh, man, it's a chore. I'm gonna go try to get. All right, wish me luck, Soms. Whoa, it is. It's a pudding stone. Yeah, it's kind of mixed with like a sandstone pudding stone. It's not cement. It's definitely conglomerate. Nice. I'll check it out again. Take a picture later. But gotta keep moving. Sums is not liking this. Green one out here. Oh, what's this orange one too? Yeah, no. This is the one I'm after. I think the wife will like that one. Wow, it's just weathered out. Just right. Pretty. I like it. Might as well. That's an interesting rock. Got holes in it. I don't know what it is, but I like it. I'll probably take it all the way home. I think I'll leave it there, but unless it's an agate, maybe I should take it home. Cute little rock there. Got a little bit of clay on it. I don't know. Agates out west kind of look like that. So you cut them open. Alright, got me curious now. Coming home. Cute little orange one here. What's that? Pretty smooth. I don't know what it is. I like it. Good thing I'm on my way back. I'm liking a lot of rocks. After a long winter. Looks like a little tillite. Yes. Cute. Throw it in, why not? Why not? On these three rocks right here. Got a purplish one. Nice colored one there. And a tillite. Tillite. Where's my pooch? All the way down there. She's wanting to go. She don't stop, Dad. Let's go. Holy moly. Found this big old Petoskey stone. Wow. Probably one of the top 5 biggest ones I found way down here. Hours from Petoskey. I'll take it. Well, that's the end of my rock hunting. Summer and I are tired. Time to go home and get something to eat. So thanks for watching JC Outdoor Fever, and please subscribe. And I don't know, if there is one down there, I'll slide down the bank, fall down the bank and get it. But till then, talk to you later.
we are on the beach, we'll be finding treasure soon. We looked and searched all morning long till late in